Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set a bio in the Telegram app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Telegram app. Here it opens up in the messages bar, and from here we can proceed either by swiping right or tapping on the three lines in the top left corner. From here in this list, we have to select the settings button. And here in the settings menu, there is in the account section, there is a bio button. We can tap on it and write something about ourselves in 70 characters or less that we might find interesting or important for other people to know. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.